Now you want to talk.
Yeah.
You say ah. Daddy's not here. Daddy's at work. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, is that better? Tastes better than your finger? Oh, my big boy. Hello? Are you sure you don't want some blueberry yogurt?
No.
Yummy. No, thank you. You're so sweet, Riri. Yes, ma'am. I like your leopard outfit. Okay, we're gonna go in just a second. Once Jason is done eating, okay?
Oh.
Okay. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Here, we'll turn it around really fast so we can see Miss Vivi. Can you smile? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.